Hello, are you searching for a slit lamp that combines precision, versatility, and advanced technology in a single unit? Then meet the DS3 slit lamp from Optitech. This instrument is engineered to elevate your ophthalmic examinations to a new level. At its core, the DS3 features a high-precision Galilean-type microscope that ensures crystal clear visualization of the eye's structures. The system offers 3 selectable magnifications, 10 times, 16 times, and 25 times, allowing you to quickly adapt to any examination need. It's equipped with 12.5 times high eye point eyepieces and provides compensation for ametropia, ensuring comfortable and detailed viewing for every user. The illumination and focusing are designed for maximum efficiency. The slit image width is continuously adjustable up to 14 millimeters, enabling you to achieve the perfect focus for any segment of the eye. The illumination is provided by a bright LED lamp system with continuously adjustable brightness. For differential diagnosis, the instrument includes essential built-in filters: blue, green, red-free, and heat-absorbing. Furthermore, its precise base movement allows for vertical travel of 30 millimeters, x-axis travel of 110 millimeters, and y-axis travel of 90 millimeters, ensuring accurate and smooth positioning of the patient for the best possible alignment. The DS3 is built as a complete solution for a modern clinic. It is compatible with essential accessories like the applanation tonometer and is perfectly paired with an optional motorized table for effortless height adjustment. For those looking to capture and document their findings, an HD camera and recorder are also available as optional accessories. Invest in the DS3 slit lamp today and enhance your diagnostic capability. It's a quality product from Tarun Enterprises. To learn more or to place your order, visit our website at www.optitecheyecare.com or call or WhatsApp on +91 817 6080204.